or two sites in Vincenti or Huskisson that we go to. And then we bring the telescope on the beach, and then we look at the stars together for 90 minutes.
In order to connect to what's important, and we know that that there are incredible benefits from people spending time in nature for their relationships to others, their unhealthy relationships to food, alcohol, digital devices, and other vices. We know that there are benefits for people spending time in nature in terms of connecting to country and understanding the complex web of life that we're a part of. And so our business exists to get people to spend time in nature together, to connect to all of those things, and hopefully to change the world. We're in the business of changing the world, not just going on canoeing tours or walking tours.
There's an acknowledgement that there is a lack of public and even destination EV chargers. And if we're going to continue to be an attractive tourist destination, that's something that needs to be addressed. One piece of good news there is that it's been announced by the field retailer Aura that they're installing a fast charger in South Nara in around about 12 months.